your decisions. Yes, those small, everyday choices, and the big, life-changing ones too. Decisions that align with your goals, your values, and your future. They follow trends. They listen to others. When you feel and think at the same time. Now, here's something to remember. You have to dig deeper. All right, let's get practical. Think about people like Steve Jobs. He decided to drop out of college. Crazy, right? But that decision led to Apple. Or J.K. Rowling. She decided to keep writing Harry Potter even when 12 publishers rejected her. Their success came from the power of their decisions. Now, look at your life. What decisions can you make today to move closer to your dreams? Decision-making isn't just for big, life-changing moments. It's a daily habit. Start small. Decide to wake up earlier. Decide to eat healthier. Decide to spend 10 minutes a day learning something new. These tiny choices add up. They build momentum. And before you know it, you're not just making decisions. You're transforming your life. So, here's my challenge to you. The next time you're faced with a choice, pause, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, is this decision right for me? Because at the end of the day, it's your life. No one else can live it for you. No one else can choose for you. Learn to trust yourself. Learn to decide for yourself. And watch how your life begins to change. You've got this.